Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to click on Advanced Features and scroll all the way down. Then choose Dual Messenger and tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Then select Install in the pop-up, choose Confirm and wait. After that, you can also use a separate contact list by clicking on the switcher and tapping on Next. I don't want to do that, so I will go with Next right away. Select Yes. And now, after a couple of minutes, or seconds in my case, as you can see, Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!